How to download Roblox on PC. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To download your Roblox on PC, you have two methods. Firstly, to launch a browser and to search for Roblox download. Select on the first option, that is Roblox download from the official website. Click on Download Windows app if you are using a Windows device. If not, at the bottom you can find for your operating devices as well. Once you have installed your Roblox installer, just tap on it to launch it. And the installation process will begin. Mind it will take a while depending upon your Wi-Fi connection. Since I already have a Roblox for me, I'll be cancelling this process. Now the second step to download your Roblox in your device is to opening the Microsoft Store. Wait until the store is loaded. At the top you will see a search bar. Just go ahead and search for your Roblox. Tap on the Roblox application. Select on the Get option at the bottom once it is displayed over here. And yes, it is absolutely free. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and download your Roblox in any of the method that you prefer, that is via website or the Microsoft Store. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.